Hello, my name is Karl Woll. Today I am located at the brand new state-of-the-art H2 factory just outside of Bangkok, Thailand, where we're going to talk a little bit with you today, if you will, about our NORSIT division of recliners. These recliners are built on three principles or three different key construction components. One being the wood laminated frame, the second being the steel frame, the third being molded foam. And we'll talk just a little bit about each one so that you maybe have a little more understanding of the unique process of how these chairs are manufactured and all of the different patented designs that H2 has put into this product that we're so very proud of today. First of all, as I noted earlier, the seat base, the wood ring base, and the yoke, or the U-yoke, are made of laminated bentwood. This wood comes in one end of the factory as a raw log. They then peel it layer after layer after layer, laminate it, glue it together, laminate it, glue it together, put it in a unique mold and shape it and bend it to get this unique shape. That wood is extremely strong due to that process. There's nothing else like it in the market as far as strength. Then once the laminated bentwood frame and yoke and wood ring base are finished, they manufacture a steel spring and a steel frame. We actually make all of these springs in-house. We make this steel frame in-house. We don't farm it out to someone else down the road. We're in complete control of quality and complete control of costs. This steel spring system and steel frame system is unique in that obviously that it's more durable and also that you can bend it and shape it to the design that you want to reach the design elements and most importantly to achieve the most comfort possible. Once the steel frame has been constructed, then they take that steel frame and they put it in a unique mold. Each chair or each model has its own mold. Once the spring system and the back or the seat is put into that mold, they then liquid inject a foam into the mold. That foam bakes and rises and encases the steel frame. Here is an example of what the seat or the back comes out like after it's been through that process. So you can see how smooth, clean, and ergonomically designed this mold is. It's not like you're cutting slab foam. Typically they would do to cut slab foam and glue a piece to get this shape and then cut it again and then glue another piece. And this foam, by the way, is 3.5 pounds in density. Typical average foam in furniture, home furniture today is 1.8. So it is actually double the density of most foams in the marketplace today. So that in itself is a unique process. So if you combine all of those unique manufacturing processes that we do in-house at H2 Seating with the bentwood laminated frame, the steel frame, and the molded foam, you have an extremely well-built, beautiful looking product which gives it the comfort and gives it the longevity that you'll be able to enjoy for a lifetime. Now that we've discussed a little bit of the key manufacturing principles and the three key components that go into producing our NORSIT line of recliners, we can talk about the fun or the wow factor, and that is the comfort and the functionality. Obviously, it swivels 360 degrees, and you can see how easily and how smoothly it swivels. It's a key component to being a great chair and a comfortable chair. You also should be able to recline very easily, very smoothly, almost to a complete lay flat position, as you'll note, which is also awesome if you're going to have a nap. If you're not going to have a nap and you want to watch TV, you simply move your body weight up or back to the desired position that you wish to be in. Relax, the chair will stay with me. It's not leaking or moving. And then I can adjust the adjustable headrest to any position I want. So if I want to watch TV or if I wish to read a book or have a sip of my coffee, I can adjust the headrest and or the position of the chair very easily and very, very smoothly. That's a unique key component to being able to enjoy the features and benefits and the comfort of our NORSIT chairs. You'll also notice, or may have not noticed, but I'd like to point out, we have a unique flex system built into our ottoman. You'll notice when I put my body weight or my legs and feet onto the ottoman, it will adjust and flex as I do, so that there's no pressure on my Achilles tendon and heel. It's super comfortable and super adaptable. You don't even realize it's doing it, but it is doing it. Another thing you don't realize that's happening by watching this on video is that when I recline, our dynamic lumbar support is backing off. As I ease forward, the lumbar support built inside of this chair is invisibly pushing me forward to give me more lumbar support when I'm seated in a more upright position. That dynamic lumbar support system is patented by H2 Seating and provides the ultimate in comfort. We're sure you and your customers will enjoy these chairs for many years to come. Thank you. I'm now resting comfortably in a different model. You'll notice that this model has a telescopic and articulating headrest, so that regardless of my height, I'm right now seated in a standard size chair. As I mentioned earlier, each chair comes in 3 sizes. This model is a standard size chair, but with a telescopic and articulating headrest. So regardless of my height, whether I'm 6'4" or 5'6", I can make this chair fit me most comfortably by adjusting the headrest to where I need the support or where I want the comfort most. I can also adjust it to if I'm going to be viewing TV or if I'm going to be having a nap. I can go into the nearly lay flat position again. And by easily just sitting up a little bit, the chair flows with me, as I mentioned earlier, and sit in an upright position. Another thing that we should make note of is this tension adjusted knob located here. This knob is not meant to lock the chair into position. It's simply meant to adjust it to the person that is using it, body weight. So if you're a heavier person, you can make it a little tighter if you wish. A smaller or more demure person, you may wish to back it off to make it easier. But the chair will flow with you very smoothly and very comfortably, as well as, of course, swivel. And I mentioned the 3 different sizes. Each of these chairs is available in 23 different leathers. I have some of the leather grades and swatches here, as well as 7 different wood finishes is available on every chair, not to mention 4 different fabrics, 2 of which are performance fabrics. So no matter what your customer is looking for in size, style, design, fabric or leather application, and or wood stain, you will be able to completely satisfy every of your customers' requests and keep them happy for many years to come. Thank you.